team of programmers and designers. We are bright and tight. The bright light shines on our projects from the first precept to the final polish.
Technosys, where intelligence meets business solutions, is specialized in providing a wide array of IT services to customers worldwide.
Now, may we please request Mr. Singh, co-founder and director, Business Development and HR, to come on stage and share his thoughts with us. Let us give a big round of applause to Mr. Singh.
On this auspicious occasion, every year we have been meeting to celebrate and communicate the significant yearly accomplishments. I have been privileged to have your patronage with us to share the joy of this celebration. This occasion should now become the landmark of success, landmark of celebration of achievements we attain throughout the year. Starting from this foundation day, we are going to add a new tradition to our Brain Technosys family to recognize the talent in various categories and to award the deserving candidates through our annual award distribution ceremony. I must congratulate all the nominees and winners of the awards in advance. Now, since we are together with a proud feeling in everyone's heart, I must take pleasure to remind you all the vision of our company. Foundation of Brain Technosys was a dream that stuck two heads all together, mine and Mr. Harshit Agrawal, co-founder and director of Brain Technosys. With the blessings of God, the great support, encouragement and trust shown to us by our families and our better halves, we have started this company to get the recognition in the field of information technology with the specialization in web development. Our slogan says, where intelligence meets business solutions. The vision has never been centric to profit making only. The vision is to create employee-friendly environment, to seek the talent capable of showing the intelligence, to train, direct and motivate the talented people to be utilized in line with our company procedures and standards to develop great web-based business solutions. We believe in long-term relationship. Our customer satisfaction is our passion and each satisfied client is our profit. About achievement, what is an achievement? Something that has been accomplished especially through hard work, ability, practice and skill. So we all have applied all these parameters. So do we have an achievement? I am glad to see the client server development environment implemented in our network. We now have separate development servers as well as separate online test servers for Windows and Linux based environment. We in fact have different servers for different ASP.NET versions. We have successfully implemented many advanced techniques that makes us one step ahead of our competitors, like firewall protected network, VPN facility for team leads and project leads to let them work from home, automatic data backup system, employees intranet system for online time attendance and leave management, online appraisal system, communication forum and many more advanced techniques. Manpower achievements. We have got a strong team of website designers and software engineers. The team has significantly grown to around 100% in last. We are recognized for 100% customer satisfaction. And the most important that I want to share with you, we have achieved the Microsoft certified partner status. Till shortly. Finally, I have been privileged to have with us very intelligent, sincere, above all the gentle colleagues, and through their hard work only, we are able to reach our accomplishments. I take this opportunity to thank everyone in this Brain Technosys family. I must also thank everyone who ever been the part of this company in the past. I look forward to an equally rewarding and eventful next Foundation Day, 19th April 2012. Thank you all once again.
As the Director of Information Technology, Mr. Harshit Agrawal directs and maintains all the IT operations of Brain Technosys. On the other hand, works as a Chief Financial Officer to keep company's accounting operations up to the mark. He is capable of acting as a proficient project manager and leading the research and development of new technologies and helping the team for their implementation on client projects. This is our humble request to Mr. Harshit Agrawal to come on the stage and share his experience and success story with us.
Real pleasure for me standing here on such a wonderful occasion with all of my BT family members. I convey my thanks to Mr. Shipal to share the vision of our company and achievements so far. Now it's time to share future plans. As already said, your valuable inputs are always most welcome and we will discuss all possible forthcoming plans and team meetings. Let me share something that I already have in my mind. The first goal should be to strengthen the sales and development team by adding some more business development executives of very
मीरा नाची थी और हम नाचे बिन घुंघरू के